Welcome back to our kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. Remember, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. On today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make beef enchiladas. Something that is totally, completely amazing. Something that you probably loved out there. So if you want to learn how to get it done, if you want to learn and see and watch how Rap Kitchen gets done beef enchiladas, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want more recipes like this, let me know, and I will make it happen. Let's not lose any more time, and let's get to the recipe. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using on today's recipe to make our delicious beef enchiladas. And right here we have ground beef, chili powder, 2 chicken cubes, tomato paste, oil, salt, and a little bit of oregano. Right here we have some chopped onions, cheese, and garlic. Alright guys, these beef enchiladas are completely delicious. They taste amazing. So if you are wanting to try this at home, this is the plate that you really need to try. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. If you want more recipe like this, let me know and I'll make it happen. I will see you next time with another episode on Kitchen.